Hey, beautiful souls! Ever wondered why yoga should be part of your daily routine? Here are 5 amazing reasons to roll out your mat every day. 1. Boosts flexibility. Yoga gently stretches your muscles, increasing your flexibility and range of motion. Perfect for feeling more agile and reducing stiffness. 2. Reduces stress. Yoga combines breathwork and movement to calm your mind and reduce stress. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain. 3. Builds strength. Regular yoga practice helps build muscle strength and tone, making you feel strong and empowered from the inside out. 4. Improves sleep. Practicing yoga can relax your mind and body, helping you unwind and get a good night's sleep. 5. Connects you to a community. Yoga brings people together. Whether in a class or online, it helps you connect with like-minded souls and build lasting friendships. There you have it. 5 powerful reasons to make yoga a part of your daily life. Start today and feel the difference. Follow us for more yoga inspiration and tips.